At Mercy, officials say they took samples from 52 people. They hope to have those test results back in a day or two. News 4's Ray Preston was there as the first cars rolled through the parking lot at the Mercy Virtual Care Center in Chesterfield.
Kathy Renth was decked out in rain gear from head to toe, and on top of that, wearing her personal protective gear. She's the first person patients deal with when they pull onto the parking lot.
So once they come into the testing center, I greet them. I go over some discharge instructions, let them know that it's going to take us 4 to 5 days to get their test results back. We ask them to self-isolate in the meantime until they hear back from someone about their test results.
A security car blocked the entranceway to the parking lot of the drive-through test site. Before the site opened at 8 o'clock Saturday morning, about half a dozen cars were lined up waiting to get in. St. Louis now joins cities around the country that are using the drive-through testing sites, which means a patient doesn't have to even come into a hospital or doctor's office and risk spreading the virus. It's a quick nasal swab.
It's going to go down through the nose, so if I can have you open your mouth, breathe through your mouth.
And then the patient is on their way. The whole process takes about 5 minutes.
I've been in healthcare for 35 years. I've never seen anything like this.
Don Sorensen says it should not be unsettling for patients to be approached by a nurse in full protective equipment.
I should think it's not. They know that this is a disease that is spreadable, obviously, and it's what we have to worry about is the spread or unnecessary contact.
But healthcare providers remind the public that to be tested at the drive-through site, a patient must have a fever of at least 100.4 degrees and respiratory symptoms. Those who wish to be tested can call Mercy's COVID-19 clinical support line.
The healthcare professional that answers will walk you through a series of questions to determine whether or not testing is required.
The drive-through test site will be operating 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day until further notice. In Chesterfield, Ray Preston, News 4.